Ever seen these vibrant orange and yellow flowers? Meet Lantana Camara. It's beautiful. But is it a friend or a foe? Stick around, the answer might surprise you. The 5 benefits. 1. Pollinator paradise. It's a magnet for bees and butterflies, essential for local biodiversity. 2. Antimicrobial power traditionally. Its extracts are used externally for skin health. 3. Natural repellent. Many use it as a simple, organic way to deter household pests. 4. Hardy beauty. It's drought-tolerant and thrives with almost zero maintenance. 5. Anti-inflammatory historically. It's been used to ease minor aches and inflammation. Wait before you rush to plant it. Remember, it's toxic if ingested and can be invasive. Always handle it with care. Did you know about these hidden sides of Lantana? Have you spotted it in your neighborhood? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more plant secrets.